Thank you so much, Max Media, as well as sir. When I take admission of my kid, he's just 13 years old. When he came here first time, he don't know about the C of the camera and P of the photography. When he came here on the very first day, he came back to home and say that, Mama, I know ki how to take photograph, what is aperture, and how to enlarge the frame or everything. He is telling me about the various features of the camera. Even I don't know about more regarding to camera. First time in my home there is a DSLR camera enter, and we now know about camera just because my son have an interest in that and he learned something new from this academy. So if I compare his photography from day 1 to after the completion of this session, I can see the drastic change, how to take angle, how much lighting is required, and which photographs is a simple thing, how can you make them more beautiful. So all this thing is learned in this academy. So thank you so much, Kangan sir, as well as Max Media, for teaching my kid. Thank you.